This is an Incra shop stop. It acts like any stop block that we could clamp to a fence in order to make repeat cuts the exact same length. But this has some great features that you're really going to appreciate. Here's how it works. The critical piece with the shop stop is, like all Incra products, they have this black strip that has teeth on it. The teeth are also on a strip going all the way down the fence. And these two black strips lock together like teeth, so when locked in place they will not move. But those teeth are also 1/32 of an inch on center, so when locked in place you will always fall on an even 32nd, and it'll be the exact same every time. It's also nice because you can push this to the back and it will slide. You can pull it forward and it will not move. Now, to set the dimension for your shop stop, you need to, in order for it to move, you need to always loosen up these two thumb screws. That allows us to push it to the back and then it can slide freely. Pull it to the front and then it won't move, and then you can lock these in. The place that you set the dimension is right here along the right side of this top part. It does not line up perfectly with what the board actually contacts, but that all has to do with where the tape measure was set on the fence. Now, to be accurate with a shop stop, you need to ensure that you always line up the right side of this gold part. Line it up with the line, but be sure that it does not cover up the line. If you cannot see the full line, that means you'll be 1/32 of an inch off. Always also double check, make sure nobody loosened up these black knobs and allowed this red part to be spaced away from the set screw. If this red part is not tight up against the set screw, it means that somebody mistakenly loosened the two black knobs instead of the two thumb screws, and they moved the red part away from the set screw, which will mean that your measurement will be off. So always make sure that this red part is up against the set screw. If it's not, you can always show it to me. Now, you may have noticed that our Incra fence does not run all the way right up to the blade. So how do you make accurate cuts when the board is less than the 11-inch mark here on the fence? Well, that's why I have this 12-inch extension. So let's say we want to make a 10-inch cut. We can set our stop to 10 plus the 12 would be 22. Slide the stop up against, slide the part up against, hold it, and make the cut.